Hey lovelies, I'm back with another video for you, and I'm doing things a little bit different this time. I'm going to be co-washing my hair right in front of you and not in the shower. I'm going to be using Plentiful's amino stream sulfate free co-wash, and to make this process a little easier, I've already detangled and sectioned my hair into 6 sections, and I'm just wetting my hair to make it much easier for the co-wash to react to my hair. And as you can see, the co-wash doesn't seize up. It's not like a shampoo. So that was one of the main reasons why I decided to just go ahead and put the co-wash in my hair while I'm in front of the camera in my chair as opposed to in the shower. And just to let you guys know, I did take the co-wash into the shower with me to add it to my scalp. I don't know why I thought it made more sense to do it that way. I guess because it feels more of like a wash when it's being applied to my scalp. So I decided to just do that part in the shower, but I definitely could have did that while sitting here in the chair. And I also wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Plentiful hair products. If you saw the last video that I did for them, then you already know how much I love this hair care line. My hair loved these products the last time and nothing has changed. My hair still loves these products. I really think it's the best thing ever when you can partner with a hair care company that loves your hair. Like, you can use some products and like, oh yeah, this turned out good. But when you get those products where your hair like loves the products, oh my God, it's like, what more can you ask for? After letting the co-wash sit in my hair for just a few minutes, I'll go ahead and use a deep conditioning treatment. This is one of those deep conditioners that is super thick and super creamy and coats my hair really well. Now, what I like most about these products is the Aloe Vera Complex. That's AVO-VERA complex. Now, the complex is just a blend of avocado and aloe vera oils, and if you know me and you know my hair, then you also know that my hair loves avocado and aloe vera. It always leaves my hair super defined, moisturized, hydrated, soft, all of the above, and these products give it to me every single time. I truly believe the co-wash and the deep conditioner are the reasons why the styler is able to do its job with giving me great definition, no frizz. Together they create a foundation of moisture and manageability that ultimately leads to a very defined wash and go. Now, once I put the deep conditioner throughout my entire head, I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. It only requires about 15 to 25. I didn't even put any plastic over it or anything like that, and my hair was still so soft when I washed it out in the shower. You know how when you rinse out a deep conditioner sometimes and you kind of feel the smoothness, kind of feel the softness? No, this one you get all the feels. Now, to style my hair, I use the Amino Strength Curl Defining Styler for curly/coily hair. And just like last time, they also sent me one with featherweight hold for a more fine strand of hair. But of course, that just is not going to work for me. So curly/coily it is. And this product is also pretty thick as well. It's not as thick as the deep conditioner, but it's pretty close. And just like always, my hair loved it. This styler immediately detangles any tangles I might have in my hair, and it immediately starts to clump the curls together, and that right there is always a plus. The last thing I want to do is spend so much time trying to get my curls to clump just for them to be frizzy when it's all over with. And if you notice, I didn't even put a leave-in conditioner in my hair. Now, normally I would put a leave-in conditioner in before putting a styler on top, but I feel like these products are so moisturizing that a leave-in conditioner would just be redundant. So I opted to leave that out and just move on with the styler. And to make sure that my curls stayed nice and clumped and defined, I used Old Faithful. Where did Trusty come from? I used my Old Faithful Eco Styler olive oil gel, and that was just the icing on top. It made my curls come out perfectly, or pretty close to it in my opinion, and yeah, I was good to go. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you've tried these products, let me know how you like them in the comment section below. If you haven't tried them, I encourage you to do so and see how you like them because I love them. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thanks for watching.